So now let's move to the second last category, that is पेटी सॉइल. इसको हम लोग मार्शी भी बोलते हैं. इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज इट हैज हाई अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इन दिस एंड इट इज बेसिकली दलदली इट इज. सो इट इज मार्शी और कैन से मडी. So let's read about this one now. So in the first point, it is found as it has marshy or muddy, so it has high amount of water in this. So it is found in the area of high rainfall and high humidity. So it basically found in the area of high rainfall and high humidity. So it has the places like northern part of Bihar and southern part of Uttaranchal and coastal areas also, and coastal areas of West Bengal and Orissa. So it basically, the thing is that it is not a vast area accumulated together. As you can see, it has some part in the Bihar, that too in the northern part, and in some part in the Uttaranchal, and then away from there it has some part in the coastal areas of West Bengal and Orissa. So it doesn't have the area accumulated together. So in the third point, in this one we can write, in this one basically it has large amount of organic matter that makes this soil highly humus and fit for the cultivation. So in the third point we can write about this. So it has large amount of organic matter that makes it rich in humus. Even in some places the organic content is about 40 to 50%. So it has organic matter about 40 to 50% in some places. So in the next point, let me write it above. The basically, as it has high amount of water, so these are heavy, and about the color, they are black in color. They are in the blackish. It's because of, just can say, the organic content. The one reason of the blackness of its soil is because of the presence of high amount of organic matter. So in the next point, basically it has high saline, rich in organic matter. So it is highly saline and rich in organic matter, but it has deficiency of phosphate and potash. So this basically makes it perfect for the cultivation of paddy. So in the next point, we can write basically these conditions make it perfect for the paddy cultivation. So it is perfect for paddy cultivation. That paddy cultivation is nothing but the cultivation of rice. So the cultivation of rice is given another name, that is paddy cultivation. So we have the 7 points in this soil, the paddy soil. Now we will read about the last one, that is forest soil.